Man outside works for me. His name is Mariano. Cuts and trims the grass for me, makes the flowers bloom. Says that it comes from a place not far from Guanajuato. It's 2 days on a bus from here, a lifetime from his room. I fix his meals and talk to him in my old broken Spanish. Tells me things, tells me names, things I can't recall. Sometimes I wonder just who this man is, if when he is gone he remembers me at all. I watch him close, he works just like a piston in an engine. Only stops to take a drink and smoke a cigarette. When the day is ended, look outside my window. There on the horizon, Mariano's silhouette. He sits upon a stone in a southeasterly direction. I know my charts, I know that he's thinking of his home. Never been the sort to say I'm into intuition. I swear I see the faces of the ones he calls his own. Their skin is brown as potter's clay, their eyes void of expression. Their hair is black as widow's dreams, dreams are all but gone. Ancient as the vision of a sacrificial virgin, innocent as crying for a baby being born. They huddle around the dying flame, pray for his protection. His prayers are all but answered by his letters in the mail. Sends him colored figures, cuts from strips of paper. All his weekly wages, saving nothing for himself. It's been a while since I've seen the face of Mariano. The border guards that came one day took him far away. I hope that he is safe down there, home on Guanajuato. I'm worried though I hear revolution. Thank you.
Brother bought a coconut, he bought it for a dime. His sister had another one, she paid it for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut. Called the doctor, woke him up and said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor, relieve this bellyache. I said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor, relieve this bellyache. Now let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut. Call me in the morning.
Call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do. You can call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do. Call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do. You can call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do.
You put the lime in the coconut.
Is there nothing I can do? can call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do.
Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and yeah, put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, mix 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, make you feel better. Turn your head and talk.